Hello everyone, this is Just Us 2411 and today we're going to be showing you Hilton Grand Vacation Club, Parc Soleil, here in Orlando, Florida, with beautiful palm trees and stunning views.
But first, we're going to show you the beautiful entryway as you drive up to the resort. This property is located near Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, SeaWorld, and International Drive. This two-tower oasis has a swimming pool, jacuzzi, quick service dining, and grab-and-go convenience deli. As you enter the studio, you are greeted with a beautiful picture. There are several throughout the space.
To the right, we have a spacious bathroom with a backlit frameless mirror. Artwork, toiletries, a sink with granite countertops, bath towels, hand towels, and washcloths. We have a light, artwork, toilet paper, and trash can in this room. There's also a shower that's roomy, with a rainfall adjustable shower head with handheld shower head for you to use close up. This studio comes with a kitchenette that has a good amount of countertop space and shelving on both sides. It has a sink, paper towel holder, a hand towel, dish soap, coffee maker, and ice bucket. It also has cabinets with a drawer to put items in, a microwave, and a mini fridge to keep items cool. A full-size mirror, a thermostat to keep the room nice and cool, or warm. An overhead fan. It has a king-size bed with 5 pillows and is super comfortable. Nightstands on both sides of the bed, clock, phone, and extra storage. It comes with a full-size dresser with deep drawers, large flat-screen TV, a round table that seats up to 2 people, blackout curtains, a view of the pool and lake. Here's more artwork. Hello. There are 2 closets that come with a blanket, a shelf at the top, ironing board, hangers, a safe, and extra storage. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with future content. Thank you. Bye-bye.